In this video, how to update the BIOS on a Lenovo laptop. In the BIOS setup, you can see the current BIOS version and its release date. In Windows, you can find the BIOS version and release date in the System Information app. The first method is to update the BIOS using Lenovo System Update. You can download and install it from the Lenovo official website. Alternatively, you can install it using the Windows Package Manager. Windows Package Manager, also known as Wingit, is Microsoft's official command line tool for discovering, installing, upgrading, configuring, and removing software on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Once installed, let's open it. This tool will automatically download and update the BIOS to the latest version. Restart your computer after the update. You can open the System Information app to confirm that the BIOS has been updated. You can go to the BIOS setup page to check. The second method is to use Lenovo Vantage. This is a free tool for Lenovo laptops. You can download and install it from the Microsoft Store. This tool is not just for BIOS updates. You can also use it to install or update other drivers for your laptop. And the last method is to use the BIOS update utility. First, visit the Lenovo support site and search for your laptop model. You can find the laptop model from the System Information app. Select the drivers and software category. Select Manual Update. Select BIOS. Then, download the BIOS update utility. Open the downloaded file and install the utility. Follow the instructions to update the BIOS to the latest version. the computer will be restarted automatically. So, please save your work before run the update tool. On Windows, you can find a free and lightweight tool called Hardware Info to get more information about your device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.